Fall time is the best time for planting. I plant all my trees in November. Reason being, you put it in the ground, water a few times, the ground freezes and you're done. No more watering or worries like you would have in the spring or summer. When choosing a tree, make sure it's the right tree for that location. Check the tag on your tree. Check the height, width, full sun or shade. Remember, that little tree you're planting will one day be a beautiful giant. Before planting, you'll need to call Miss Utility to have the underground lines marked. Tools recommended when planting: spade, shovel, pitchfork, shovel, pickaxe, wheelbarrow, and of course a nice set of gloves. Today, we are filling in a row of white pine trees and trying to create a screen to hide a building. We want to make sure they're spaced correctly, and for this tree, it's 15 feet. After measurements, place your tree in the location. Measure height and width of the pot or the root ball. Dig your hole 1.5 times deeper than the pot and 2 times the width. Amending the soil is very important. Use 50% of your soil, 25% topsoil, 25% rotted wood chips. Mix up your soil. When you're finished, you should be able to make a ball that holds together and then drop it from a height of 3 to 4 feet, and the ball should fall apart. You will know you have the right consistency. Add 4 to 6 inches of this mix to the bottom of the hole and the rest for the sides. Most trees that are in pots are root bound. Remove the tree from the pot and pull or cut some of the overlapping or crossing roots. This will help the roots to spread out into the new soil and not continue to grow in a circle. Place your tree in the hole. Make sure the root ball is 1.5 to 2 inches above grade when planting. Remember, the amended soil in the bottom of the hole will settle and the tree will drop down to the grade. Start backfilling the sides with the newly amended soil. The best way to pack the soil is the bottom of your shovel. Now that you have the tree planted, time for mulching. I use rotted wood chips, no more than 3 to 4 inches, spread around the root ball out 2 to 3 feet. This will help the tree to retain moisture. After mulching, give your new tree 3 to 5 gallons of water every 3 to 4 days until the ground freezes. Happy planting.